Hey everybody, how we doing? My name is Bob and I'm with Novatto, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of our most popular copper bathroom sinks. It is the Cordoba drop-in, and the model number is TCU-003AN. So I'm going to highlight some product features and some attributes and just give you a little bit of information as to what you can expect when you open up the box. So let's dive into it. So we have here an oval sink. It is a drop-in. As you can tell, the rim is rolled. It's got a 1-inch rolled rim. And the reason why it's rolled is it allows for just kind of a quick and seamless drop-in installation. And what that's going to look like is kind of like so, just on your countertop. And so your countertop would be here, of course, and it would just simply sit in the hole, just like that. And it's got a nice, rich, antique finish. You can tell it's hand hammered, which makes it very unique. It's not like a machine pressed copper sink is. There's a little bit of variation in the dimpling and whatnot, but it's just got a really rich, dark finish. And this is what we call our antique finish. It's gonna be very consistent from piece to piece, so there's gonna be no surprises when you open up the box. The dimensions of it are, you got 14 inches front to back, and then 19 left to right. So that's kind of the overall product dimension side of things. When you install these, you're going to, let me put it on the table like this. There we go. When you install it, you'll simply use a strainer drain, which is what we recommend. This is a 19-hole grid strainer drain, and that's really just gonna sit in the drain just like so, and it fits beautifully like you can see there. So the strainer drain is gonna be the best fit because it doesn't have an overflow, and as you can tell, the sink doesn't either. It's really gonna be a kind of a quick and easy installation that way. It's just gonna simply tighten up to the bottom of the sink here. And then after you drop it in, you want to basically seal it kind of around the rim here. Put some silicone around the outside of the hole and it'll be stable, good to go. And then lastly, after you install it, we do recommend using a wax to basically seal the inside of it, and you can put a little on the rim. That's really gonna help bead the water off and keep things nice and tidy that way. So it's basically gonna help with the surface and really help hard water spotting in that regard. Lastly, I just wanna mention these are really rich, I would say really rich, unique sinks because they're very versatile. You can use them in restaurants, commercial settings, master baths, things like that. It is a living finish, so if it does come into contact with something acidic, it can change a little color. But depending on the use, if you leave it be for a period amount of time, it will basically heal itself and darken up again. So you'll be fine in that regard. That kind of wraps it up. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.